Right then guys, welcome to this week's video. Now, strange one, I wasn't going to do a video on this opposite side of the van, so I've done one before, but I have come up with a repair that I haven't done before, so I think it may be worth a post. Let's say I was just doing all little progress videos through the week, so when I put it all back together we could move on to something different. But yeah, I've come across some issues with the opposite trailing arm really, so I'm going to put on videos next. It's a bit all over the place, but I think it's worth a mention. I think it's worth a video, if I'm honest, and see how I repaired it. You have the same problem with yours, you can do exactly the same. Yeah, it's turned out all right. You'll see at the end of the video. So guys, crack on with this week's video. I wasn't going to do one, but let's crack on. There's some decent content in it. So yeah, see you in a sec. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't going to post, but then come across this issue with the rear trailing arm. Well, a couple of issues actually, and you'll see them in the video. But really, watch me where the bushes go. Watch me repair this. I'll put a couple of photos. So this is what it started up on, and then this is what it finished like by adding a bit of pipe. So yeah, guys, if that's something, just carry on watching. It's quite interesting, to be fair. I'm happy with how it's all turned out. Saved us a couple of £100 for a second-hand trailing arm as well. So yeah, so I wasn't going to post, but come across this, something I haven't done before, so I want to share it with you. So yeah guys, enjoy the video. Catch you all in a bit. Alright then, I will do a quick update of what I'm up to. So rear end there, as you can see, stripped off, arms out. Ooh. Cut off, brake shoes all down there. So what I have found, ooh, where's this camera going? Get focus, gonna have to do a little bit of welding there. But main problem, show you. So this is my problem. That is not very good condition at all, as you can see. Turn you around. So that's gonna have to come off, but luckily I've got the one off, the one I took off. So I'm going to weld this one, which is better, onto that one. You can buy the replacements of these, but nowhere's got stock, so I'm going to have a try at repairing it first. It ain't going to hurt anything, so I might as well have a go. So I'm going to carry on doing that. This is obviously the rear trailing arm that's come off, and if you can see inside, it's rotted all the way through. I have seen a YouTube video where YouTube videos, where you put a bit of pipe inside there. I might as well give it a go. It may be too much for my sort of skills, but nevertheless, turn it over quickly so you can see. See, it's rotted out there. Just show you what I've got. I've got some steel pipe, 48mm OD, and I think it's 33 point something ID. I'm going to have a go at doing that in a sec. Painted the axle, so that's all ready to build back up. Hub, it's just waiting for some seals. and this rear trailing arm, a bit more work than what I actually thought, and actually worse than what I thought. It looked the worst side, but it looked the better side, sorry, but in fact it's the worst side, so I'm gonna have to see what I can do with this today. So maybe too much for me. We'll see. I've got nothing to lose. So I've just ground it away, just around here. As you can see where the inner is. Now I'm going to try and split this outer pipe from the same both sides, and then weld a new bit of pipe inside, hopefully. Right guys, just knocked the that inner sleeve out there. So then the plan is to get this 48mm LD pipe. It's a bit of a tight fit, obviously, do it to size, and then weld that in there. So I'm going to carry on with that. I might as well. I'm in for a penny now, in for a pound with this, so let's see what it comes out like. I'm going to take the other rubber bush out. And the main reason, I just want to measure. I just want to tidy that up and measure that so I can get the right length of piping for the other side. So I am going to do that next. So then, quick recap then on where we are. That pipe is in, got to weld it in. Got my measurements off how much that one is. I've also, my old one, measured that as well. I know it's not going to be exact because it's a little bit sort of rusted away over the years, but I'm as close as I can be with that, I think. So I guess the only thing left to do now is weld it in. So I am going to do that. Not decided yet whether I'm going to get someone to weld it in. Obviously it needs to be a good solid weld, so I might tack it in, and I might get my mate to weld it in, depending. I'll just do it myself though. Welder's not that bad. And then I am going to seam sealer everything, hopefully today, and then hopefully I can push some new bushes back in, and then stick it all back on. I will though, I mean I will put that rear trailing arm on my wish list of parts. Notification just followed up. So yeah, I will put it on my wish list of parts to come up, but at the minute I just can't find one cheap enough. So I'm going to repair it for now, and then I will put it on my wish list of parts, and then when I've got the money I'll just swap one out. They're not a difficult job to get in and get out, especially with new bolts and new bolts, and the bushings are fairly cheap as well, say £7 each, aren't they? So it's not the end of the world if I have to change this out again. So I am going to weld that in, clean it all up and give it a quick weld in. Just bear with me. Right then, so that's welded in there. So just inside diameter is 2.5. Same inside diameter as the pipe there. Same width. So just tidy up those welds a little bit now. Hopefully that has saved me £200. The pipe was £6-7. Bit of effort, took most today. And I think I will change the whole arm eventually, but that's not going to come off there. If I can get a bushing, that's not going to come off there, so I'll put it on my sort of not very things to buy, but not straight away list. Well, I just repaired that pipe all the way through. Bit of a mission, I know it's easier to sometimes just go and buy new things, but you know, I just haven't got that kind of money all the time, and it does get expensive doing these vans. All the little bits do mount up, so I'm trying to save some money when I can. I will. So right, I'm going to carry on tidying that up. I might try and seam sealer it tonight, put some more of that rust paint on, paint everything else, and then hopefully I've got to start welding underneath the van. I'll do that next week now. So yeah, right then, catch you all in a bit. Right then, so first coat of Amorite is on. I've seam sealed all around that sort of hat there. It's just the weather, to be honest. The spot welded on, and it's just where the water seeps under, so I've seam sealed it all around there. That's my new bit that we've repaired. So yeah, all done, ready to put new bushes back in. So give it another coat tomorrow, or maybe Monday. I'm having a family day tomorrow, so I'm not going to touch the van. Just want to get this video uploaded. So yeah guys, that is that done. I didn't think that was going to work, to be fair, but got nothing to lose other than 200 quid buying a second-hand one. But yeah, I've yet to put the bushes in, but same diameter inside as what I've got, so that should work. But I'll show you once I'm done. If I have any issues, I'll let you know. So guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, you know what, give it the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what, subscribe. More stuff like this to come. So yeah, I hope you've all found it useful, and I'll catch you all soon. Hopefully next time all this will be back on the van. We'll be doing something different, hopefully getting it in for its MOT. That's the next step, soon get in for the MOT. Really massive tick off the list. Just going to finish painting the outside then, and it will be all inside stuff, hopefully ready for next year. So guys, thank you again. Thank you for everyone who subscribes to this channel. I'll catch you all soon.